Chapter 8, our solar system. Anti-clockwise.
In the opposite direction to the way in which the hard layers
Heart of clock
are
move around.
Anti-clockwise. ANTICLOCKWIRC.
Fant.
FAINT. Fant. See, that cannot be seen clearly.
Dwarf planet.
The move the very small body that continuously small body
Continuously orbit a massive star like
the sun has no satellite.
Orbit.
The dwarf
A curved path followed by a planet, an object as its move, another planet, star, moon. The action of an object is called moving in a circle around a fixed point.
नहीं, उसके बाद साल बदलता है.
हाँ, ईयर चेंज होती है और सीजन चेंज होता है, तो फॉल्स. क्या हो जाएगा? फॉल्स. द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ कॉजेज सीजन. द रोटेशन ऑफ false. The sun rises from the east and sets in the west. ध्यान से समझो. The sun rises from the east. सन कहाँ उगता है? पूरब में, और डूबता पश्चिम में है. तो फिर समझेंगे ना क्वेश्चन. The smallest planet is
Mercury.
the number of planets in our solar system is
8.
changes in season is caused due to the
Revolution of the earth.
the earth completes one revolution in
365 1 by 4 days.
the dash of the earth causes days and night.
Rotation.
Dash is the biggest planet in the solar system.
Jupiter.
The summer in summer the days are dash. In summer the days are dash longer, and in winter the days are
Shorter.
the movement of the earth around the sun is called the movement of the earth around the sun is called season are caused due to the rotation of the earth. False. Days and nights are equal to the equator. Yes. The outer surface of the earth is called equator. False. Crust कराता है. Name the flowing planets. The biggest planet.
Mercury.
Biggest planet.
Jupiter.
Planets closest to the earth. Planets closest to the earth. अर्थ के नजदीक कौन सा प्लेनेट है? मरकरी है.
Venus and Mars.
कौन है?
Venus and Mars.
Venus and Mars. Venus and Mars. मरकरी लिखी हुई है ये तो, है ना, इसलिए तो गलत है. Planets nearest to the sun. सन के नज़दीक सबसे नज़दीक प्लेनेट कौन सा है? सन के नज़दीक सबसे नज़दीक.
Mercury.
प्लेनेट्स फारदेस्ट फ्रॉम द सन. फारदेस्ट मतलब सबसे दूर प्लेनेट कौन सा है सन के?
सन के सबसे दूर.
हाँ,
Neptune.
कौन सा है?
Neptune.
नेपच्यून. प्लेनेट्स नॉन एज द रेड प्लेनेट्स.
Red planet.
मार्स. व्हाट इज द प्लेनेट नेम एनी 4 planets of the solar system
Slow moving bright bodies are called planets.
in the sky are called?
In the sky are called planets. Planets do not have light. They reflect the sun's light.
Planets name?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune.
Uranus, Neptune. What causes day and night?
The revolution.
The rotation
The rotation causes day and night.
of the earth causes day or
Of the
night.
earth causes day and night.
Name the planets of our solar system that have more than 60 moons.
The Saturn and Jupiter have more than 60 moons.
What is solar year?
Our Earth complete one revolution in 365 1 by 4 days.
Which is called a solar year.
Solar year.
Which is called a
Solar year.